Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove logged exercise in MyFitnessPal app. So actually, you can get this app if you question it. You can get it from the App Store, Play Store, and the other stores that your phone or your device supports. So once you get it, you just need to create an account, and I prefer you to get the subscription, so you will be able to use so much features. So let's go into MyFitnessPal just to show you, and right here as you can see we are already on the dashboard, but I want to go into diary and the right of the dashboard in the bottom. So just tap on it, and right here as you can see, when we scroll down we will see the exercises right here. So I just want you to go into add exercise. Okay, so let's consider that I created a strength exercise and I want to remove it. Alright, so I just want to swipe right, just like that, or swipe left, and as you can see right here we have exercise. So you need right here to connect step tracker to use that kind of exercises. So let's just stay right here on this page, and as you can see I just need to tap and hold the exercise that I want to remove, and it will be removed. Alright, so let's go into cardio. For example, I want to remove cardio because I need to change it. So once I tap and hold, I can delete it or delete entry. So let's tap on or select delete entry, and as you can see it will be deleted. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.